What's wrong? Is your head stuck? Is your head stuck? I think it is. You need Daddy to lift you up.
Do you need help?
Is your head stuck? Lift him up. Lift him up. How did you do that?
Be careful. Don't do it again. Walk away a little wiser. Or do that.
Oh.